Let me then choose what to say.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, I wanted to put emphasis that where an act of parliament confers a benefit, privilege, or whatever it is to an office, that must be respected. And Mr. Speaker, I was telling Honorable Ichungwah that this law that confers the privilege of security to former Prime Minister, Deputy President, former speakers, is a bill that I personally sponsored in this House. And I was telling him, I cannot allow that and sit in this House and see the law that I brought, that anybody urinating on law that I brought to this House. Mr. Speaker, that is something that is unacceptable, and this is something that the government must respect. But finally, Mr. Speaker, Honorable Ichungwah is saying that they were the first to experience withdrawal of their security as Tanga. That is misrepresenting facts. I will tell you that you cheered when our security were withdrawn, together with the present speaker, when he was minority leader in the Senate. I was minority leader in the National Assembly. Our security were withdrawn, not just security alone. Even our GK vehicles, which belong to Parliamentary Service Commission, were taken. One of them was taken in this roundabout, Mr. Speaker. Another one was picked from my house. Mr. Speaker, this misuse of power must stop. This misuse of power should stop in this country. Let us not entertain misuse of power. Whether it was applied to Tanga, it was applied to NASA, it is being applied to Azimio, it is wrong and it should stop. This idea of some police officer sitting somewhere and looking at us attending press conferences, and then the next thing you find your security withdrawn, like they did to mine on Monday evening, just because I attended Azimio press conference. Since when did I move out of Azimio, Mr. Speaker, that I'm now being barred from attending Azimio meetings? Mr. Speaker, it is irresponsible. I have never seen irresponsibility of this nature. And Mr. Speaker, we need also to tell majority leader to realize that much as you'd hate Uhuru Kenyatta, he has been president of this country for 10 years. Mr. Speaker, it is irresponsible for majority leader who leads the government in parliament, in the National Assembly, to continuously talk derogatively about a former president. Mr. Speaker, that is something that we should not accept as a country. You cannot say that a former president has led goons. No, that is irresponsible. You can't talk like that. No.
Order. Order, honorable members. Order.